like, bro, I'm like, why she turning me on like this?
Hey you guys, so today we are working with Wiggins hair. Right here I'm just showing you the packaging and all the goodies that I received. They sent me over a 13x4, 24-inch, 180% density in the texture loose deep wave. So here are the waves. They're very gorgeous. The wig construction was as usual, had the two clips at the top, a clip at the back, and also the adjustable straps. I didn't get any initial shedding and my fingers ran right through. So let's get into this install. Okay, so here is my model. I've already bleached the knots and plucked it off camera. We've done her bald cap already. And now I'm just adjusting the wig so that I can cut out the ear tabs. And if you watch my previous two videos, you know that I like to tint my lace afterwards. So the lace is not tinted right now. I'm going to go ahead and get these ear tabs cut out, and then I'll cut off that lace, and then we'll get to applying the wig. I'm going in with the only glue that I use, which is from the TheRaeSymone collection, because it gets the job done, and I'm not even hyping it because it's mine. It gets the job done, no lie. So if you want to purchase a bottle, go ahead, check the description box down below, because if you purchase this wig, honey, you're going to want it to be slayed. Okay, so after you get the lace laid, you want to go back and cut off any excess lace, and you want to go back in with the glue under any spots that was missed. Now, I know this lace is giving, this scalp don't belong to me, but you gotta trust the process, because we're gonna get it together. So just stay with me. Watch this slay come into play, okay? I just posted 2 very detailed installs, so I'm not going to talk too much more. I'm going to pop in if I need to, but I just want y'all to vibe out and just watch this slay. Now see, we looking better already. So I do see that it's a little bit light. So I'm going to go in with my True Match Lace Conceal in the color bronze and tint the lace. I do apologize about the light. The sun did go down on us, but I am going to bring out my studio lights in a little bit at the end so you can really get the final look. did you just burn her? And I did. Sorry, girl. Hey, if you don't get burnt at least one, you didn't get slayed. Alright, so here is the final look. As you can see, this texture was gorgeous AF. Make sure y'all check the description box down below for all the details and information on this wig. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell. Go ahead and support your girl. I'm trying to put out this content for you guys. It's going to be nothing but bangers and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.